Hey, what's up everyone? I'm alive! I know, right? It's crazy. I thought I was dead too. I'm actually driving to take some stuff to storage, so let's see how that goes. I got a green light. Yeah! I'll let you know when I get there. Sorry, I couldn't record when I was at my storage, so I'm on my way to Harbor Freight now, and then I gotta go to the auto parts store to get some fluid for my car. But when I get out of Harbor Freight, I'll say hi and keep you guys, or let you guys know what's been going on with me and what I've been doing over the past like almost probably 6 months or more than 6 months. I don't know exactly. So yeah, I just got out of Harbor Freight. I had to buy some crap and all that good stuff. So anyway, hi everybody, I'm alive. I forgot to remember the camera's here, not there, here. Okay. I've been being an adult for the last however long it's been since I made a video. It's kind of been busy, I guess. You know, this is, working full-time at a job. It's not really something I've been used to. I mean, I'm getting used to it now at this point, but it's just kind of weird, and, I'm getting used to it. I'm driving to work more hours a week than I used to work when I was part-time, like when we were slow, but, so it's kind of weird that I'm just driving that much and I'm working and I don't have a lot of time when I get home. By the time I get home, I'm too tired to want to do anything, and then I'm, awake for 3-4 hours, and then I got to go to bed to wake up again. So, it's just like not a lot of time to want to do anything. And then when I get the weekend, there's so many things that I need to do or want to do, or, hang out with people, whatever it might be, that I end up just not being able to really do anything related to this channel or anything like that. And, if you guys follow I have a second YouTube channel. Don't get excited, it's nothing important. It's literally there for just posting crap, like short couple-second videos about random stuff or whatever. People that try to kill me on the road, that kind of crap. The link is in the description of this video. It's always been there, in case you didn't know. I think it's there. If it's not, then it's there in this video. But I post there occasionally, just random videos or test videos or sometimes music stuff, but not all the time. But that's about the only video content I've been making. I got a new camera. This is what you're seeing now. I think it looks pretty decent. I don't have anything exposed right. I just grabbed it and turned it on. I've always wanted this camera. It's the Sony RX100 Mark V, all that good stuff. It's not, I didn't buy it like, oh, I gotta buy it because I'm making a lot of videos. Just wanted to, and I like cameras and all that kind of stuff. If it was up to me and I could afford it, I'd buy a red camera, even though I have absolutely no reason for that. I just like camera stuff. It's always something that interests me, even if I'm not making YouTube videos or anything like that. But I think this looks a little bit better anyway. But regardless, I want to start making more videos again. I just have to have the, ability to do so, and the mental capacity, I guess, and the physical ability, I guess, to sit there and do it. I haven't done it in so long. I mean, I still enjoy editing and stuff, but I just, like I said, I haven't really had time. That and, working and everything, and then various family stuff and all that, it just kind of suddenly, it's been 6 months and I'm like, oh shiz, I haven't made any videos in a while. What the heck? All of my videos are still doing good. I'm still making, revenue from my videos, the same amount or more than what I was making when I was consistently-ish uploading. Just because a lot of my videos are tutorial based. There's not like, videos that you see on vloggers and stuff like that, to where they make a video and they get 1 billion views on the first day or two, and then no one ever watches that video again, whereas a good number of my videos are consistent. They haven't really fallen down at all in viewers per month or per day or whatever it might be, because they're just they're the kind of useful video that you can keep watching, which is good, especially with more and more people now getting into 3D printing. It's really, there's a lot more people now into it. There's a lot more YouTube channels into it. The big YouTubers who are making videos are getting bigger and bigger, 3D printing is really coming into its own. You know, especially like I said, what I do as an engineer now. You know, I use 3D printing and CAD modeling and all that good stuff, and we use it for what it was designed for. You know, prototyping and stuff, which is great. And I've always wanted more and more people to get into it, and get, you know, younger people into it, get kids into 3D printing and into 3D modeling, and, you know, have that, like I was talking about a million times, you know, just kind of allow young kids at least to understand what they can do with, you know, like creating, and they think of an idea and they can make it a real physical thing, and that's just the coolest thing. So I want to get back into it. It might not be necessarily specifically only 3D printing videos, because I think there's a lot of videos that I had on tap and a lot of videos and tutorials that I wanted to do. The space on YouTube is getting saturated now, so there's a lot of people already who have some better videos than I can ever make about various topics, and I don't want to sit there and just, you know, copy everyone's video when there's someone who's already got, you know, 100,000 views on a certain video. Like, no one's going to come and watch my video that's got the same topic that's got, you know, 100 views or whatever it is. So there's no point really. But any unique stuff or something I can think of, or like I said, not even 3D printing, you know, when it comes to the laser, I haven't really used my laser cutter in a while just because I'm in the middle of cleaning and reorganizing. And also other stuff, you know, music stuff, car stuff. I like all that stuff, and I've always wanted my channel to be just my channel, not I'm making 3D printing videos, but here's stuff that I do that involves 3D printing or involves music or involves cars and all that. And I know that, you know, there's a lot of people that won't necessarily like that. They'll kind of go, oh, well, you know, I came here for 3D printing videos, I don't want to see the other stuff. And that's fine, but I just want to make videos that I want to make, and that's really it. And no schedule. I'm not gonna, I know I've said in the past, like, I want to release a video a month, or I want to release a video a week or whatever. That doesn't work. I don't have the drive or the capability. I have the capability, but I don't have the drive or the desire to do that and follow a specific schedule. I like the idea of it, but that's about as far as I can get. When it comes into practice, I just don't have the ability or time. So anyway, I'm rambling now, in case you haven't realized this is a rambling video like I normally do. Speaking of interesting stuff, there's a Harbor Freight, but if you look way over yonder, that's some random place now. That used to be a Buffalo Wild Wings, and it's a travesty that they got rid of it. I freaking love Buffalo Wild Wings, and so they closed down suddenly. I don't know why. They were always busy. Like, that's weird. But anyway, but yeah, I just wanted to make a video and say hi. I'm alive. I'll, you know, eventually do stuff. Otherwise, the reason I have storage unit now, like my own personal one, because I realized that I don't have enough room for all the crap that I have. Like, I just have, when it's so many 3D printers and tools and car parts and blah, 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 whatever it might be, I just had too much stuff to keep in, you know, basically my room and part of a garage. So all the non-important stuff has gone to storage, and I'm slowly putting stuff in there as I need to, just because I have to. I don't have room, and I felt myself unhappy, and I didn't want to make YouTube videos because I didn't have room to. And I know it's first world problems, I guess. There's a lot of people who, you know, make quality content in a lot worse equipment and worse space and all that kind of stuff, but I just didn't have the desire, and that's really what it comes down to. So hopefully now that I have more room, I'll be more open to wanting to do stuff and have the drive to do it, and that's all that really matters. So hopefully I'll have more stuff coming to you at some point, and, you know, I might even start doing more vloggy type videos just because I enjoy making them. I just don't have that interesting of a life, so it's hard to kind of like, hey, look, I'm at work. Hey, look, I'm at home. Woo! So yeah, I just wanted to touch base and say hi to everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Happy New Year. All that good stuff. And hope you all are doing well. And I appreciate, for those of you who are stuck around and who have subscribed to me for not just my videos, but for me and all that, then you guys are the real MVPs. So anyway, till the next video, I guess I'll see y'all later.